What's going on, guys? Huey here. So, we're going to actually do some maintenance work on the Subi since the parts are out for paint. So, we're going to load up the air compressor, get an old reliable here, and head over to Jeremy's to see the Subaru. Should be fun.
Guys, look who showed up. We got Huey here today. Who's coming to work on his car. He did already do an intro for you guys. Him explaining why he's coming over, I guess. I'll see when it's time for me to edit. But oh, he didn't explain. Do you feel like explaining what we're doing today?
Just the common maintenance stuff while we wait for everything to come back from paint. So get the strut tower mount back on. Got to do that speaker in there. Get the bottom carriage taken off. Probably put the new radiator mounts and the battery mount back on. And then probably the next couple of videos, I got to drill out some bolts. We got to put an AOS in. So we'll have a few things coming in the next couple of weeks while we wait, as we are on a 3-week waiting period. Yay!
3 weeks for what? Is it obvious? All right, guys. So we're gonna be wrenching away. I don't know how much clips I'm gonna get of this, but there is definitely gonna be a time lapse. We always do a time lapse. That's our thing. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys if we have any more updates on what we're doing. See what we could do.
Don't forget the torque, 15 pounds. Very important, guys.
15 pounds if you guys want to put in these strut tower mounts. These are...
Or you do your coils.
Yeah, or you do your coils, but these are the freshly painted tower mounts that Sir Huey did to match the rest of this beautiful engine bay.
Leave a note in the comment. So the top is silver. If you want me to do a wrinkle black, so it's a black and red like the rest of the engine bay instead of the silver. So what I was explaining before, if you guys think I should paint this like a wrinkle black, let me know in the comments and I will go ahead and do that. I think it'll look better, but is it really worth my effort? Unless you guys want it.
So if you guys know anything about the car or seen the car in person, you realize Eugene used to have Underglow all throughout the car. The only thing he left out was the front, because it would shine on the intercooler. So he's making the executive decision to just take it off.
I already brought it back. Everyone's doing it at the track, so now I'm gonna take it away.
Yeah, if you guys seen the video at the track, how many cars did you guys spot with Underglow on? It's just not it anymore. It was cool. It came back, like I said, for like a little bit, just a little bit of time, but it ain't worth it anymore. So, just gonna get rid of it. Weight reduction anyways, right?
Yep.
If you want to be faster, you gotta lose more pounds. That's why, you know, big boy's going on a diet.
tightening it. I am.
So now we're doing the radiator supports. Hey guys, say hi to YouTube. That's our time lapse right there. Look how we have to rig it so you guys get a clear picture. So
All reliable, coming in handy.
So right now he's just taking all the brackets.
So we used to have the radiator shroud. My problem with the radiator shroud from Perrin is if you have an aftermarket radiator, it doesn't exactly fit right. So it was always hard to try to pump or pop the hood. So I'm just gonna go to the regular two mounts just to give it a little red flare. Just wasting money.
Two mounts to go right there. Yeah, Perrin. We're your test dummies. You know, we'll post it. We'll tell you what's wrong with it. You should sponsor us. So, these battery things are probably the dumbest thing Subaru put on the car, besides being a Subaru. But, like...
Get a Subaru, they said. It'd be easy to work on. Fuck out of here.
That's why I went German. Because...
Oh, that's even worse.
No, see, the thing with German is it's electronic issues. Right? Hear me out, guys. The reason I went with German is because electronic issues. But mechanically, they should sound. Everything makes sense. Engine layout, covers, plastics, makes sense. You can pull everything off. Now, if you go through like the Golf R, the all-wheel drive system, to put a downpipe in is the dumbest thing in the fucking world, where you have to take off your drive shaft to put in a downpipe, which is dumb. I don't even want to talk about that. But everything else makes sense. This, like, what is this? There's like a little tiny, like the hole is literally this big to put in a tie down. Like, how are we supposed to take the tie down out now? It's so dumb. Get another Subaru, man. Subarus. You can't trust them. And their owners. So guys, while he's working on that, in all seriousness, if you stayed this long in the video, please leave a like and a comment. If you guys like the video to the point where you want to see more content about this car, subscribe, hit that bell notification. We post every Wednesday or Thursday. Anything car related. Shorts, actual videos, like track days, anything like that. You know, we're trying to blow it up. So if you like anything you see and you want to see more, thumbs up, guys. Comment. Tell us what you feel like we should be doing different or any suggestions. So like you guys can see, we're just doing little things. Like he just put the new Perrin brace right there. Small little odd and end things. What's next?
We gotta get these off that don't want to come off. So we let them soak for a hot minute. If we can get them off. It's more of a relaxing day. Just getting minor things that need to be done anyways. It's been a crappy week, so this is the way to relieve stress. Give us a like if you play with cars when you're just in a foul mood. It makes you smile.
Again, a like for playing with cars. Cars. Gotta keep all this PG. You know, YouTube doesn't like it any other way. So these are 12. If you guys are looking to replace the bolts or replace the brackets, those are 12. These were 10. What else did we do? What were these again? 15s, 13s?
Those, I want to say those were 12.
12s.
Everything's 12.
So 12, 12, 12, 12. The only thing that was I think was a 15 was this bolt up here.
Yeah, that's the 15.
But if
And these are 10.
if you guys are going with Megan Racing, then that's what it would be the spec wise. I would assume every other company is different, but these for sure are 12. This was a 12. 10. What, parent?
Well, just like any. Because, like, look at Megan Racing. They do Allen keys. There's something about Allen keys we don't know about?
You know who also does Allen keys a lot too? 034 Motorsports. Anytime I got anything from...
I feel like everything I've gotten as of late is always Allen keys.
Yeah, when I did the intake on the what do you call it? The Golf R. When I did the intake on the Golf R, it was all Allen keys. I was like, this is dumb. Like, who owns all the Allen key set? Just give me like a 10 mil, dog.
I have three sets.
Three
There's
sets?
one in my toolbox in the truck. There's one in the glove box of this car, and there's one in my toolbox out. Because I keep buying them when I'm out somewhere. I'm like, son of a, I don't have the right size.
See, I think I have one set that I use. And even then, it sits in a drawer in our guest bedroom. Because, like, I don't really fucking use them. Like, I think when I bought the Jetta is when I first noticed that I needed Allen keys, and I bought this one. But no, I don't ever touch Allen keys. Just give me a 10. Are there torque specs on this? No, it's just
tight. Do them tight.
So German tighting, just good and tight.
Good and tight.
Good and tight.
Tight and tight.
Tight like a tiger. Just not loose like any of your exes. Oh shit! No, that's not gonna get monetized. Is it on the wrong side?
No, there shouldn't be any side specs. I just feel like I need to know what angle it goes in at, because I'm afraid of cross-threading it. You know what I mean? Because it gets like there, and it stops. So I'm like, is it supposed to be more at an angle? But you also can take it. It's free.
I'm gonna say we could.
It's all rusty in there.
The ghetto.
Because that's what I had to do in the fenders because of the threads getting rusty on here. Welcome to Florida Light.
The ghetto. WD-40 can. Go to the top of it. And just like spray down.
Threads a different one. Try not to make a mess. Don't need splooge everywhere. I'm not a pre-pubescent boy.
I don't care if you're in your 30s, but you're still a pre-pubescent little boy.
And laugh, I cry.
Look, the older we get, the more expensive our blocks get. We went from Legos to EJs, K20s, D16s, LSs, Boras. I said D16 already in that. Or, you know, Volkswagen AE 888s. This is fun, guys. It's been a while. I don't know if I've mentioned it. I've been having health issues. I have neck problems, stomach problems. So I haven't been feeling good for like the past 2 months, 3 months. So I've been missing out on working on the car a lot. That's why there's not a lot of building videos, you know, besides like little shorts that Eugene has been doing.
I just been depressed.
So since I've been feeling like shit, I haven't had time. You know, when your neck hurts and you feel like you can't lift up your own head, big head, you know, big head problems. You can't even lift up your own head. You just feel discouraged on doing anything. But this past 2 weeks, I've been feeling great. Still stiff in the neck, still hurts, but I've been able to pull myself out of that slump. And I haven't touched a wrench or did anything, like I said, in like a couple months. So thank you guys. You guys are what keeps me going. You know, for the select few that do watch, the select few that do comment. How are you doing now? Oh, you're taking out the rubber gasket?
Yeah, they don't give you gaskets, so you gotta use old gaskets. Your bushings for your radiator mount. They're kind of gross.
You guys like our workbench? GGG.
And the
Fuck off. Got our plates. Got our work glasses. Safety glasses. Don't forget to wear your safety glasses. They stay there. We at least have them.
I forget my PPE.
You forget your pee-pee? All right, guys. When we got another update, I'll turn you guys back up.
Alright, guys. As you can see, it's just little things. Just something to do to lift spirits. So we got the red. Very red out. Like I said, leave a comment if you want me to paint that black. I think that's all we're just going to do for today. I'll probably do the undercarriage another day and do the oil, trans. Yeah, that's all I got, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed.
Also, you guys will click up here, one of these sections, we're going to take you back to what the speaker, the whole process of the speaker. He's doing something real quick. He's going to change out the speaker again. The last speaker we had in there was just not working. It came from the driver's side door instead of the passenger side door, and we're thinking like some type of polarity issue, because like you could hear something coming out of it, but it's not very loud like it used to be. So he's trying something right now. Other than that, if you stay this long, give us a like again, leave a comment, don't forget to subscribe. You know, I'm gonna repeat myself over and over and over again. We do appreciate you guys. We are growing, and you know, we want you to grow with us. So if you want to keep updated on this car, hit that notification bell. If you want to keep updated with the Honda, that notification bell. But until then, guys, see ya.